Hello dear traders and investors. The project is in touch GURU.Markets. Let's start with summary information about the company. Let's look at each parameter in more detail below. If necessary, you can put it on stop. We suggest that you study all the corporation's indicators in more detail. We will analyze the current fundamental indicators of the corporation Fluence Energy Inc, ticker FLNC. This review was created using current information as of July 12, 2025. By classification, GURU.Markets company Fluence Energy Inc. belongs to the subcategory Energy Equipment. 27 companies take part in the analysis. We will see the decisions made at the end of this video. The overall result for the company is -3 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 2.1 points. If you look broadly, within the entire stock market as a whole, you can see that the average result for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a minus rating, 3 points for the company Fluence Energy Inc. By comparing the price movement of the company's shares Fluence Energy Inc. and subcategory companies, we can see that over 12 months the company's shares Fluence Energy Inc. showed a dynamics of -51.9%. Compared to the price dynamics for the subcategory of 15.7%. Market capitalization of the organization Fluence Energy Inc. amounts to $1.49 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $183 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.38 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $29 billion. Comparing the shares of market and balance sheet capitalization, we see the following. Occupied share Fluence Energy Inc. in the subcategory when assessing stock market capitalization is 0.812%. The book value is 1.306%. Assessment of the company's market share and book value of the subcategory, good, 1 point. The analyzed organization's debt obligations amount to $0.394 billion. Financial liabilities to book capitalization constitute 104% of the company's capital. Assessment of the company's financial liabilities, bad, -1 point. The company's stock market value to profit ratio is 0. Average for the subcategory is 50.7. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very bad, -2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was -$24 million. Future profits over the next 12 months are expected to be $12 million. Assessment of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's price to revenue ratio is 0.6. Average for the subcategory is 4.2. Evaluation of the exchange price to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $2,330 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of the indicators of projected future revenue in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The marginality is -1%, with an average for the subcategory of 8.2%. Profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, TALET, -0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of personnel in the subcategory is 1.169%. which is 44% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is equal to $933,000, while for the subcategory it is $1,343,000. An assessment of the company's market capital per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The profit volume per employee is minus $14,900, with an average for the subcategory of $26,500. Evaluation of profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, Talit, minus 0.5 points. The share of revenue per employee of the company is $1,461,000. Subcategory, $324,000. Evaluation of revenue per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, Talit, minus 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions corresponds to 32.2%, with an average for the subcategory of 4.2%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 69% for the company Fluence Energy Inc, whereas in the subcategory the RSI level, 14, is approximately 66%. The company's actual stock valuation is approximately $8.16. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $5.73. Let's look at the order table, which is available to you. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made this season by the Stock Evaluation Reference System, GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the company's analysis Fluence Energy Inc. Information system GURU.Markets, the following decision was made. Open a sell trade at $8.17. The order was opened due to the fact that the company has a rather low rating and price dynamics. The company's valuation was carried out using the valuation model, the Akeem's index. Take profit is set at 3.85. Stop loss is set at 12.49. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the order is fixed independently based on the results of the session on August 11, 2025, or on the last trading day before the specified date. Ticker, ENS, will be the main buy order. The video of the main deal has already been published on this channel. When closing any of the orders, the main or balancing one, another order is closed at the final price. Thank you audience for watching this video and for using the information system from GURU.Markets.